This is the LED home office dual screen computer desk lamp. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. And it arrived just like this, and I will show you how to build it on there. Super simple. You're going to get a screwdriver and some screws. There's a couple of points where you might want to put a screw in. I don't know that it's necessary, but you could if you want. There's one here, there's one on the back, and one up here. And they've given you the screwdriver too. You get a remote control, so you can just sit back and set it up the way you want. It runs off of a 3-volt CR2032 battery that is accessed right here. And the cool thing about this is it's magnetic. Look at that. So when I took the screw out to check the battery, the screw actually stuck to the back of it. Let me show you a couple of measurements right here just so you know what we're working with. I have this thing almost fully extended, and it is at about 28.5 inches right here. So I've got two 32-inch monitors, and they're both roughly 11 inches off of the table right here. So I was able to get coverage on this. So we have two 17.5-inch arms with about 35 total inches of extension if you put them all the way up. So you can even get coverage on a large farmhouse table like this one. And I'll shut the lights off and show you how this works. You can rotate these any way you want. You can put them together if you wanted to, up, down, over here, so they rotate. You can extend them. You can have one-to-one one thing, one-to-one another thing, whatever you want. They say its vertical coverage is about 31 inches, and you're looking at it working with two 32-inch monitors right here. The cool thing about this light is it has a memory function on it. So after you get it set up the way you like, it remembers how you had it set up the next time you turn it on, which I think is pretty awesome. It has a timer function right here, so if you press the button, it will automatically turn off the lamp after 1 hour. It has stepless dimming mode, actually 5 different brightness levels from which you can pick. Basically from 10% light to 100% light, and it has 5 different color temperature levels to adjust the color temperature or warmth of the lights from 3000K to 6500K. You have all kinds of different ways you can rotate these lights. There's different rotatable joints. You can bend it down this way. You can bend it here. You can rotate it, this way. All kinds of different options you have with this. So there's plenty of ways to get this light set up the way you like it. Lights like these would obviously be great for the office, for the home office, or even for a workbench. I was thinking about the workbench. Very nice.